So guys, welcome back to part 3 of our thermal oven cooking. They commented and suggested us to we were gonna make a grilled cheese, egg, a bacon, and we were gonna heat up some water. So you want to make sure to use black pans because I guess it makes the food warmer. So we're gonna put the bacon on, and we're gonna put the egg on the same one. So when you set it on, you set the egg. Well, you leave the egg there, and then you set its shell in a different container, not near where the grilled cheese is, because it will probably make it bad for you. It contaminated it. So now we're gonna make a grilled cheese, and we're gonna cut it in half, and we're gonna have one piece. We're gonna cook one piece up and leave the other one plain, and then we're gonna set it in there. That looks delicious. So now we put the cooked one in there, and now we're ready to do it. So we're shutting the lid, and then we're gonna go set it outside so it will heat up, and we can have some delicious food. So here is the weather today. It doesn't look like it's gonna get warm that much. We were heating these up, and we had some problems. So the wind kept coming and it kept knocking this down. So we put up a box there to hold the lid up, but then we needed to put a piece of wood here so that the flat wouldn't fall down. The grilled cheese, the egg, and the bacon were all commented by people because I asked in my last video give me some suggestions what I should cook. So people said bacon, grilled cheese sandwich, and some eggs, but we're just gonna cook up. So guys, it's been 2 hours, and when we first came out here, it was about 50 degrees, and now it's like 2 hours ago, it was like 55, and it's about 100 degrees in there. So now let's take a look at it. So guys, we've been out here, it's been cooking for about 4.5 hours. The highest it got was 125 inside, and outside it's 64 degrees outside. So now let's take it in and let's see how it's doing. What we cooked was, I can feel the heat, we cooked some grilled cheese, eggs, bacon, and we heated up some water. So you guys can see that this part wasn't really cooked that much. This part was, but you can see in the middle, the cheese melted. So let's pull it apart. So I pulled that apart. And so let's stick the thermometer in the hot water and let's see how much it is. If I put my finger in, it's not that cool. It's not warm. So you probably want to do this on a warmer day. Also, I suggest not eating the bacon or the egg because to kill all the bacteria, it needs to pass 185 degrees. But we only got to 125 degrees, so don't eat that if you get under 185 degrees. If we had 50 more degrees on to 125, this would have cooked it good. As you can see, it cooked it good. It cooked this, but it's still not good. I think I'll pass on eating of this, but this could actually work on your meal. This was a fun project. Thank you for all your suggestions and comments what I should cook on this. But even though it didn't work, it was still fun to make this. This is about the end of this video. Hopefully you did enjoy. Please like, please subscribe, and also please comment. Guys, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!